Matrix eigenvalue problem. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Let A be a square matrix of order n if there exists a non-zero column matrix X of order m by 1 and scalar lambda such that Ax is equal to lambda x. Then X is called the eigenvector or characteristic vector of matrix A, and lambda is called eigenvalue or characteristic value of A. The set of all eigenvalues of A is called spectrum of A. The largest absolute values of eigenvalues of A is called spectral radius of A. Consider Ax is equal to lambda x, then that we can write it as Ax minus lambda x is equal to 0. So that is again A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. That we can write it as A, it is an m by n matrix. You can write it as A11, A12, etc. A1n, A21, A22, etc. A2n, and etc. etc. AN1, AN2, etc. ANN minus lambda into I. So I is also an n by n matrix. So 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 etc. 0 0 1 times x1, the column matrix, x1 x2 etc. xn. So that will be equal to 0. So when you do the subtraction, you will get a1 a11 minus lambda a12 etc. a1n, a21 a22 minus lambda etc. a2n, an1 an2 etc. ann minus lambda times x1 x2 etc. xn. So that will be equal to 0. This represents the system of homogeneous equations in n variables, and it has a non-trivial solution if and only if a determinant a minus lambda I is equal to 0. This a minus lambda I is called characteristic matrix, and determinant a minus lambda I is equal to 0 is called a characteristic equation or polynomial. We can see one problem. So determine the values and eigenvalues of A is equal to minus 5, say 2 by 2 matrix, minus 5, 2, 2, minus 2. So we have Ax is equal to lambda x, that is Ax minus lambda x is equal to 0. That is A minus lambda I times x is equal to 0. So we can substitute the matrix A minus 5 2 2 minus 2 minus lambda into I, it is a 2 by 2. So 1 0 0 1, then x, the unknowns, what are they? x1 x2. So that will be equal to 0. That is minus 5 minus lambda 2 2 minus 2 minus lambda x1 x2. So that will be equal to 0. Therefore the characteristic equation is given by determinant a minus lambda I is equal to 0. So you can take this one. So this is a minus lambda I. So determinant of minus 5 minus lambda 2, 2 minus 2 minus lambda. So that will be equal to 0. So when you take the determinant, so you will get lambda square plus 7 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. So when you factorize this, the left hand side, you will get lambda plus 6 into lambda plus 1. So that will be equal to 0. That is lambda is equal to minus 1 and lambda is equal to minus 6. So this is the eigenvalues. Lambda is equal to minus 1 and lambda is equal to minus 6. Now we can find out what is the corresponding eigenvectors. So when lambda is equal to minus 1, we can write there is a minus lambda I of x. So that will be equal to 0. What is a minus lambda I? So we have minus 5 minus lambda 2, 2 minus 2 minus lambda of the unknowns are x1, x2. So that will be equal to 0. That you can write it as, so you can apply lambda is equal to minus 1. So that will give you minus 4, minus 5, minus 1. So that is minus 4. Okay, then 2 then 2, then minus 2 minus minus 1. So what is that? Minus 1. So x1 x2. So that will be equal to 0. So which is equivalent to, so that is minus 2. So you divide the first row. So this is the first row, minus 4 minus 2. So you divide minus 4 minus 2 by 2. So you multiply with the 1 by 2. Okay, so you will get minus 2 elementary row transformation. So that is minus 2 1 and 2 minus 1. So x1 x2. So that will be equal to 0. Again you can make it, so you are going to make it echelon form. So you have to make this 2 as 0. Okay, so you do the elementary row transformation, you will get minus 2 1 0 0 in x1 x2. So that will be equal to 0. So you can multiply the matrix multiplication. After the matrix multiplication, you will get minus 2x1 plus x2. So minus 2 into x1 plus 1 into x2. So that will be equal to 0. So from this, so here actually the rank is 1 and the number of unknowns is 1 2, that is 2. So that is r less than n. So you have to take one variable arbitrarily. So you are going to take x2 is equal to t, right? So therefore x1, so what is x1? x1 is equal to, you can write it as 2x1 2x2 2x. So here you take x2 is equal to t, and you can find what is x1. So x1 is equal to t divided by 2. Therefore we can write x1, that is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 1. So x1 is equal to x1 x2. What is x1? T divided by 2, and x2 is t. So the eigenvector is 1 by 2 1. Now we can find out the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 6. That is a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So we can write a minus lambda I. What is that? Minus 5 minus lambda 2 and 2 minus 2 lambda. So that is x1 x2. So that will be equal to 0. We can substitute this lambda is equal to minus 6 in this equation. So you will get minus 5 minus minus 6. What is that? 1. Then 2, then 2, then minus 2 minus, what is lambda? Minus 6. So you will get minus 2 plus 6. So what is that? 4. So that is x1 x2. That will be equal to 0. We can apply the do the row elementary transformation. So you will get 0 0 in the second row. Okay, so when you multiply these two, so you will get x1 plus 2x2. So that will be equal to 0. Then here the rank is 1, r is equal to 1, and number of unknowns, n is equal to 2. So r is less than n. So therefore you have to take one variable arbitrarily. So here you take x2 is equal to t. So therefore x1, what is x1? So that will be equal to minus 2 x2. So that is x1 is equal to minus 2 into t. Okay, so therefore x2, so that is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 6. So that will be equal to x1 x2. So that's equal to, what is x1? Minus 2t. Then what is x2? T. Okay, so the eigenvector is minus 2 1. So this is the eigenvectors. Okay, these are the eigenvectors. Okay. So next question, find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the given matrix A is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 minus 3 3. So we can find the solution. So we can take Ax is equal to lambda x. That is Ax minus lambda x is equal to 0. A minus lambda I of x is equal to 0. You can substitute that A and I in this equation. So you will get minus lambda 1 0 0 minus lambda 1 1 minus 3 3 minus lambda x1 x2 is equal to 0. Then the corresponding characteristic equation is a minus lambda I is equal to 0, determinant. So you can find the determinant. So you will get lambda is equal to 1 1 1. Okay. Now we can find the corresponding eigenvectors. When lambda is equal to 1, in the last problem, so the eigenvalues are different, so here it is same. Okay, so lambda is equal to 1 1 1. So when lambda is equal to 1, a minus lambda I into x, so that will be equal to 0. That is a minus lambda I minus lambda 1 0 0 minus 1 1 1 minus 3 3 minus lambda x1 x2 x3, so that will be equal to 0. So we can find the we can apply or we can substitute lambda is equal to 1 in this equation. So you will get minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 3 2. So x1 x2 x3, so that will be equal to 0. Now we can make this matrix as a echelon form. So 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 2 2. So after that you will get the final stage, you will get after elementary row transformation, you will get 1 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0 x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0. So when you multiply this, you will get the equations x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, x2 minus x3 is equal to 0. When you consider this coefficient matrix, this equivalent matrix of A, so we can see that what is rank. So rank is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Number of unknowns is equal to 3, x1, x2, x3. Then n minus r. So what is that? 3 minus 2. So that will be equal to 1. So you take one variable arbitrarily. So here you are going to take x3 is equal to t. So then we can find that x2 is equal to, from this equation you will get x2 is equal to t. And what about x1? So you get it from this equation. So what is that? x1 is equal to t. So that eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 1, we can write it as x1 x2 x3, so that will be equal to t t t, so that's equal to 1 1 1. Okay, that is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 1. Now we can find next question, find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 1 2 1 2 2 3. So as we did in the earlier, so x is equal to lambda x, so we can substitute, so you will get a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. You can substitute a and 1, so you will get 1 minus lambda 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus lambda 1 2 2 3 minus lambda x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0. So characteristic equations a minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is a minus lambda I, so you take the determinant, so you will get lambda is equal to 1 2 3. We can find the corresponding eigenvalues when lambda is equal to 1. So we can take lambda minus I into x is equal to 0. So you know what is a minus lambda I, so this is a minus lambda I, so you can write here a 1 minus lambda 0 minus 1 1 2 minus lambda 1 2 2 3 minus lambda x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0. So after do some elementary operations, you will get the equation as x1 plus x2 plus x3, so that will be equal to 0, and minus x3, so that will be equal to 0. Okay, so here what is the rank? So this is the equivalent matrix of A. So what is the rank of A? So that is 2. So rank is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. So what is that? N minus r is equal to 1. So we can take one variable arbitrarily. So we are going to take x2 is equal to t. Then therefore x1, what is x1? x1 is equal to minus t. So here x3 is equal to 0. So you will get from this equation x1 is equal to minus t. Therefore x1, the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 1. So that is x1, x2, x3. So you will get minus t, t0. So that is minus 1, 1, 0. So that is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 1. So next one, when lambda is equal to 2. So that is a minus lambda I x is equal to 0, a minus lambda I. So you can substitute lambda is equal to 2 in this equation. So you will get this one. Then you can make this coefficient matrix as echelon form. So you will get this one. So what is the rank? So rank is equal to 2 and the number of unknowns is 3. So therefore n minus r is equal to 1. So you can take 1 variable arbitrarily. So when you multiply this, you will get this equation: x1 plus x2 is equal x1 plus x3, sorry, x1 plus x3 is equal to 0, and x2 minus 1 by 2 x3, so that will be equal to 0. So therefore you are going to take one variable arbitrarily, that you take x3 is equal to t. Therefore x2 you will get from this equation, x2 is equal to t divided by 2. And what about x1? So you can substitute x3 in this equation, so you will get x1 is equal to minus t. Therefore x2 is equal to the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 2, that is x1, x2, x3. You substitute, you will get minus 1 by 2 t. Then next one is lambda is equal to 3. So there also we take a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. A minus lambda is this one, this matrix. So you can substitute lambda is equal to 3 in this equation. So you will get minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0. So you can apply the row elementary transformation in this coefficient matrix. Then you will get the equivalent matrix. Finally you will get the equivalent matrix as 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0. This is the echelon form. Then when you multiply, you will get x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, and x2 minus 1 by 2 x3, so that will be equal to 0, where r is equal to, the rank is 2, and n is equal to, the number of unknowns is equal to 3, and n minus r, so that will be equal to 1. So you take one variable arbitrarily. Then what is, you take x3 is equal to t. So then what is x2? You will get it from this equation, x2 is equal to t by 2. And what about x1? So we substitute x3 and x2 in the first equation. You will get x1 is equal to minus t divided by 2. So therefore x3, so the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 3, that is x1, x2, x3. So you will get minus t by 2, t by 2, and t. So the eigenvector is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. Next question is find the spectrum and eigenvectors of the following matrix A is equal to 3, 5, 3, 0, 4, 6, 0, 0, 1. So spectrum means the set of all eigen values. Okay. So Ax is equal to lambda x. So you will get A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. Substitute A in this equation and I in this equation. So you will get 3 minus lambda 5, 3, 0, 4 minus lambda 6, 0, 0, 1 minus lambda x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0. Therefore the characteristic equation is determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So A minus lambda is this matrix. You take the determinant, you will get the lambda is equal to 1, 3, 4. Then you have to find, this is the spectrum. Okay. Then this collection is spectrum. The corresponding eigenvectors when lambda is equal to 1. So A minus lambda into x is equal to 0. A minus lambda is this one. So 3 minus lambda 5, 3, 0, 4 minus lambda 6, 0, 0, 1 minus lambda x1, x2, x3. So that will be equal to, so we substitute lambda is equal to 1 in this equation. You will get 2, 5, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 0, x1, x2, x3. So that will be equal to 0. You find the echelon form, you will get this one. So you will get the equations as x1 plus 5 by 2 x2 plus 3 by 2 x3, that will be equal to 0. And second row, so what is that, x2 plus 2 x3 is equal to 0. So we can find the rank. So what is that, rank r is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3, therefore n minus r is equal to 1. So we can take one variable arbitrarily. So here you take x3 is equal to t, therefore x2 is equal to, there you get it from this equation. So x2 is equal to minus 2 t. And when you substitute this x3 and x2 in the first equation, you will get x1 is equal to 7t divided by 2. Therefore eigen vector is x1 is equal to x1, x2, x3. So that will be equal to 7t by 2 minus 2t and t. So the eigenvector is 7 by 2 minus 2 and 1. Similarly, we can find the eigenvectors corresponding to lambda is equal to 3 and lambda is equal to 4. So when you find it in this similar way, So we will get x2 is equal to 1 0 0, and in the case of lambda is equal to 4, the corresponding eigenvector is x3 is equal to 5 1 0. Okay, then there is one more question. Find the eigen values and eigenvectors. A is equal to -3, -7, -5, 2 4 3 and 1 2 2. So we can find the solution in the similar way. So you will get the answer as lambda is equal to 1 1 1, and so you will get the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 1 as -3 1 1. Okay, thank you.